In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI using image guidance. Start by opening your browser and heading to Leonardo AI. Log into your account so you can access the creation tools. Once you're in, decide what you want to make, an image or a video. Choose the image or the video workspace based on your goal. This matters because the setup is similar, but you'll want to be in the right place before you begin prompting. If you want a character to look the same across multiple generations, you'll need to use a reference image every time you create. This gives the model a visual anchor, helping it keep facial features, proportions, and overall vibe consistent from one output to the next. Look next to the prompt text box and find the image guidance button. Click that, then select image reference. This is where you provide the image the model should follow. Upload the picture you want to use as your reference. You can bring one in from your computer or choose a suitable image from the community feed. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit image where the character's face and key features are easy to see. Avoid heavy filters and busy backgrounds, since those can distract from the subject you want to match. Now type your prompt. Be specific about the scene or action you want, the setting, the mood, and any artistic style or camera perspective you're aiming for. If consistency is your priority, keep the core description of the character stable. Details like hair color, age range, and distinctive features, while adjusting other elements like pose, outfit, or environment as needed. The reference image will guide identity and likeness, and the prompt will shape everything else. When you're ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will combine your prompt with the reference image to produce a result that follows your description while maintaining the same character identity. Give the output a quick review. If it matches what you had in mind, you're on the right track. If you plan to make more scenes with the same character, simply repeat the process using the same reference image and a fresh prompt tailored to the next scenario. That's all there is to it. Go to Leonardo AI, log in, pick image or video, use image guidance with image reference, upload your chosen reference, craft a clear prompt, and click Generate. Keep reusing the same reference for each new scene to maintain consistency across your project.